Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to start a fresh exercise 10b. So let's see the first question. An acute angle of a right angled triangle measures 37 degrees. Find the measure of other acute angle. तो एक राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल है, यानी कि वन ऑफ द एंगल इज 90 degrees. So the other two angles must be acute angles. So one of the acute angles is 37 degrees. तो दूसरा क्या होगा? तो एक ऑलरेडी 90 है, दूसरा acute angle that means less than 90. तो 90 minus 37 करना पड़ेगा, वो होगा the other angle. Solution: acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Angle A, we will consider this figure. ABC is a right angle triangle where at B it is 90 degrees, and angle A is considered as the 37 degrees acute angle. So other angle which we have to find out is angle C. So angle A is 37. So angle C will be nothing but 90 minus 37 degrees. तो 90 minus 37 यानी 0 minus 7 नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो borrow 10 minus 7 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So angle C is equal to 53 degrees. Therefore the other acute angle is equal to 53 degrees. ठीक है? Move on to next question. That is question 2. In an isosceles triangle, each of the equal angles measures 45 degrees. Find the measure of the vertical angle. Isosceles triangle यानी two sides of the triangle are equal. That means their angles must be also equal. When the sides are equal, that means opposite angles to the sides should be equal. So 45 degrees. Find the measure of the vertical angle. तो ये एक isosceles ring, each of the equal angles are 45 degrees. That means 45 plus 45 होगा, that is 90 degrees. So the other angle must be 90 degrees because sum of all the three angles should be 180 degrees in a triangle. The solution है isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. We have considered this triangle ABC. So AB is equal to BC because it's an isosceles triangle, and equal angles are 45 degrees. That means angle C and angle C and angle A is equal to 45 degrees. So AB is equal to BC. Angle A must be equal to angle C, that is 45 degrees, and angle B will be equal to 180 minus 2 times 45. That means 45 into 2. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 2 times 45. 2 into 45 is 90. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 90. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 से नहीं कर सकते तो 18 करना पड़ेगा, borrow करना है. तो 18 minus 9 is 9. So angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore the vertical angle is equal to 90 degrees. That means angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So 90 plus 45 will be nothing but 180 degrees. Move on to next question, that is question 3. In an isosceles triangle, the vertical angle measures 75 degrees. Find the measure of each of the equal angles. Okay. तो वर्टिकल एंगल 75 डिग्रीज है, तो बचा जो है 180 माइनस 75 करना पड़ेगा, और जो भी बचा है उसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा 2 से, यानी इक्वल है एंगल्स, तो 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वील गेट द अदर टू इक्वल एंगल्स. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. So ABC, wherein A and C, that means AB and BC are the two sides which are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. So we don't know these angles, so we'll consider this angle as X. Angle A is equal to angle C, which is equal to X. AB is equal to BC. So two sides. Angle B is equal to 75 degrees because the vertical angle whatever is given is 75 degrees. This one angle B. तो ये vertical angle है तो 75 है. तो 75 plus that is angle B plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So 75 plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So 75 plus 2X is equal to 180 degrees. 2X is equal to 180 प्लस 75 को इस साइड लेकर है तो माइनस 75 हो जाएगा। तो 2x इज इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 75, यानी यहाँ पे 10 माइनस 5 करना पड़ेगा, तो 5, 7 माइनस 7 इज 0, 1 माइनस 0 इज 1, दैट मीन्स 2x इज इक्वल टू 105, x इज इक्वल टू 105 अपॉन 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, decimal point, 5s are 10, 52.5 यानी 105 का डिवाइडेड बाई 2 52.5 होता है। x is equal to 52.5 degrees. If x is equal to 52.5 degrees, that means A is equal to 52, that means C is also equal to 52.5 degrees, because these two sides are equal. The opposite sides and opposite angles should be equal, isn't it? So each equal angle is equal to 52.5 degrees. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा क्वेश्चन 3। थैंक यू सो मच।